I would like to share a few thoughts on the Gen Z struggles in the workplace and suggested solution. Gen Z, referring to individuals born roughly between the mid-1990s and early 2010s, can face unique challenges in the workplace due to generational differences and evolving work environments. Some common struggles faced by Gen Z in the workplace include lack of experience. As younger employees, Gen Z often lacks extensive professional experience compared to older colleagues. This can make it difficult for them to navigate complex work situations and adapt to organizational dynamics. Communication preferences. Gen Z tends to prefer digital communication methods, such as instant messaging and email, over traditional face-to-face or phone conversations. This preference can create friction when working with colleagues or supervisors who prefer different communication styles. Work-life balance. Gen Z places a strong emphasis on work-life balance and prioritizes personal fulfillment.
They seek job flexibility and meaningful work experiences, which may clash with traditional workplace structures that prioritize long hours and rigid schedules. Technological dependence. Having grown up in a highly digital world, Gen Z is typically tech-savvy. However, this dependence on technology can lead to distractions or challenges when dealing with non-digital tasks or adapting to new technologies in the workplace. Suggested solutions to help Gen Z navigate these workplace struggles include mentoring programs. Establish mentorship initiatives that pair Gen Z employees with experienced colleagues who can provide guidance and support. This will help bridge the experience gap and provide a platform for knowledge transfer. Flexible work arrangements. Offer flexible work hours or remote work options to accommodate Gen Z's desire for work-life balance. Emphasize productivity and results rather than strict adherence to traditional schedules. Effective communication strategies. Provide training and resources on effective communication methods, both digital and in person, to help bridge the gap between different communication preferences. Encourage open and transparent communication across all levels of the organization. Professional development opportunities. Offer training programs and professional development opportunities to help Gen Z employees enhance their skills and gain the experience they may lack. This can include workshops, online courses, and cross-functional projects. Embrace technology. Leverage Gen Z's technological expertise by encouraging the use of digital tools and platforms that can improve efficiency and collaboration within the organization. Provide training and support to ensure a smooth transition to new technologies. Create a supportive company culture. Foster an inclusive and supportive company culture that values the opinions and contributions of all employees, regardless of age. Encourage intergenerational collaboration and create opportunities for knowledge sharing among different age groups. By implementing these suggestions, organizations can help Gen Z employees overcome their workplace struggles and create an environment that is conducive to their growth, development, and overall job satisfaction. Thank you and God bless. Topa Thufa. Contact me for more information at siampu@zomi.net.